I wanna be him! Oh, hey. What?
You might want to see this.
What does Batman want now?
602? Can you even do one, Joker?
What? I can do better. Oh, this is easy. One hand. Look back, boy. No hands. Ouch!
Okay, cut everyone. That's a wrap. Green guy, turn the lights on. Someone get the Joker some water.
Finally, time to catch up on homework. I can't take this anymore!
Take that, Joker.
A spitball? Gross! Oh, you've got it now, Harley! And I have the perfect gadget to teach you a lesson! My secret weapon, Toilet Paper Launcher 3000! Whoa! It's pew 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 time! Let's load it up with toilet paper! Are you ready, Harley?
Oh, you wouldn't dare.
What an eye! Ha!
Whoa! I gotta get out of here.
You can run, but you cannot hide! Look what my Toilet Paper 3000 launcher can do!
Hey, buddy.
Finishing touch! Boom!
Ew, disgusting.
You're gonna pay for...
What's going on here? Detention. I see everything. Oh, no.
What is this place? I have to get out of here! Come on, Powers, do your trick! Huh?
No superpowers in detention.
But I'm the Joker!
Follow me. No joking around, Joker. You should write this 1,000 times. I'll be back in an hour.
Where's the good lawyer when you need one?
Write this 1,000 times? I haven't even done that many bad things. Oh, maybe I'll make it to my 18th birthday. Oh, I can't anymore.
I don't want to become like them, but without my powers. I know how to fix this. I'll space out several markers with a marker between. Then, with a bit of tape, I can make my greatest invention yet. Let's test it out. I'll be done in no time. 1, 2, 3. Writing lines is so easy when you do it the right way. Maybe I'll get a medal for this. Teacher, I'm done. Are you a ninja or something? Pretty good, huh?
Wow! How did he do that so fast? Oh, you can go. I'll take that back.
Freedom! Ha ha! I'm so much better than you.
I'll get back at you tomorrow. You have 10 minutes left. Time.
Maybe I should get started. 7, 9 elephants. Oh, man! And I was on track to get my best mark ever, a D! Wait a second. No sharp tools? That gives me an idea. Gotta find my trusty glue gun. Now to cover my pencil in glue. What a mess. But just wait. Step 2, a little color. Sorry, Harry, but it's not a wand. Add some string around the top and the bottom. It has to look real. Ooh, sweet. I'll fit the sharpener on top. Then cover it with modeling clay. This is way too easy. Put on some silver paint. Now for some final details. A bit more paint to finish it off. Don't you dare ask me what it is. Now to see if it works. Ouchie, back to getting my D. Such an easy question. Yes! Wait, we can't leave?
F. No sharp tools in class.
Huh? But it's my pencil! Oh, so mean!
Mine now. This has been stuck there for a month. Popcorn.
Test time, darlings.
A test? I didn't even have time to prepare cheat sheets. Huh?
No test for me. Let's bring some fun to this class. And there it goes.
Wow! What?
I wonder if the librarian will go on a date with me.
What's this? This is just what I need. And teacher will never know. Oh, first I have to blow it up. Now to add a few notes. Maybe someone should invent easy math. And now deflate. My notes shrunk too. Now for the clever bit. Scotch tape will lift those notes off the balloon. And if anyone asks, it's the latest fad in nail art. Only a robot could detect this cheating.
New principal, Squid Game doll.
Cheat scanner started. Oh, the problem.
No one said it wasn't an open book, huh?
Oh, there's the answer I need. Cheater detected. Laser time. I was just texting my mom.
That was nasty.
Cheater detected. Laser time. Cheating is so... How did you know?
There goes another one. Wait, I'm next.
Cheater detected.
No! Time freeze. Just taking my time. I got this under control. First, let's deal with you two. So you turn this way. Bye-bye. Woo! But let me grab some answers first. Now I'll get a B. Unfreeze. Sweet revenge.
Laser time.
What's going on?
Oh no, I didn't want that. So, class, did you understand? Whoops!
So, 1 + 1. Huh? No! Gotta run! Hey!
Help me! Wait, come back!
Infinity glove check. I must have time to save. Whew, that was a close call. I have to hurry. Ooh, an apple. Warm.
Yum. But crusts are gross. They belong in the trash.
Wait, I can use those. Time for Joker's cooking center. You're late. Sorry. Let's pulverize these crusts into dust. The blender does all the work. Should have added Harley's bat. Your turn. Okay, Jay. I'll bring this over here. Let's chop up that chicken into nuggets. This is the exciting bit. Then mix them well. Dip each nugget into the egg and coat them with the crumbs. Nope, not ready yet. Place them on a cooking sheet. I am so hungry. Looks amazing. You're welcome. Into the oven you go. Now I need to wait. Let me help this along. Ready? Good thing I have superpowers and don't have to wear oven mitts. Time for a little performance. Woo! Gotcha! Ooh! Okay! Ta-da! Here you go!
Yum! You made this out of that? Wow!
So, you wanna go on a date? Huh?
Oh, this is so good.
Beaten by nuggets again! That's my offer. The necklace of your dreams.
Wow, I want it. So here's what I offer in return. 24-karat gold braces.
Interesting. But no, I want more.
Okay then, you want some power?
This This used to belong to Thanos, right? How did you even get this? Let me just try it first.
Huh? What did you do?
Huh? Harley? I guess it really works. I'll bring her back.
What happened? What was that?
Welcome back. Also, I need more.
Fine.
What? You're crazy.
Just shut up and take these, okay?
Wow! Finally! Looks better on me. Okay, it's a deal.
Yeah, thank you.
Uh-oh.
Oops, what did we do? Whew, I'm back. Wow, that was crazy.